again?
Yes, yes.
Okay, hi everybody.
You'll have to hold the mic close.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie and I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I am an asthmatic, or I was an asthmatic, for 38 years and 6 months. I developed asthma when I was 6 months pregnant on my first child. Brother Amal Francis came here in March. Carmel, is it March? And he started to tell us about Brother Johnson because he was preparing us for Brother Johnson's mission and how to stand on the Word of God. Now, I thought I was a very good Catholic. I did my rosary, I did my adoration, did my mass, went to confession. I went to every charismatic healer for 30 odd years. Profound charismatic healers, but I still have my asthma. And I started to study when